Hello and welcome to this course on implementing deep learning algorithms with TensorFlow 2.0. My name is Arvind and I will be your instructor throughout this course. So I'm currently working as a self-driving car engineer in an MNC and I'm focused on creating an ADAS platform which will help in making vehicles intelligent. So let's have a quick overview of what you will learn in this course. So in section 1 you will learn the basics about deep learning and what exactly is new in TensorFlow 2.0 as compared to the previous versions. In the second section, you will create an artificial neural network to classify a breast cancer tumor as malignant or benign. In section 3, you will cover the basics of convolutional neural networks and we will solve the problem of traffic sign classification using convolutional neural networks. In section 4, we will do sequence modeling using recurrent neural network and we will predict the stock prices of Google using RNN. In section 5, we will talk about a special type of recurrent neural network called LSTMs, long short-term memory networks, and we will use LSTMs to classify newswire topic problem. In the sixth and the final section of the course, we will look at an important machine learning technique called transfer learning, in which we can transfer the knowledge or the weights learned on one network to another network. So it's going to be an exciting journey and I look forward to see you in the course. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.